Today we're going to do a quick oil change on my 2016 Toyota Corolla. One of the few things you'll need is an oil filter wrench and a 9/16 socket. Go ahead and start with the drain plug. Let that drain out for a few minutes and we'll go after the oil filter. So once the oil's pretty much done dripping, another thing that I like to do is to remove the oil fill cap under the hood, just to help it flow out faster. I went ahead and loosened the oil filter with the wrench. Sometimes it needs two hands. Alright, and we'll go get them. Alright, so we got the new oil filter. One of the things you want to make sure when you change it is that you have the gasket still in your old filter and it's not stuck to the engine. And what I do to get oil on the gasket, I just put it on here and it's oiled. You want to hand tighten that filter back on there so it's not over tight when you go back to it. We're going to put the drain plug back in. You can replace the drain plug washer. I usually do it every other time. Alright, so I'm going to tighten both of these and then we'll be under the hood to add engine oil. Alright, then after you get done with that, put your oil cap back on, check your oil level once you bring it down off the wheel ramps or off the jack stands. And then to reset the maintenance light, you just hit the display button on the steering wheel, bring it to trip A, hold it down while the car is on the second power option, the run option on the key. And while you're holding it down on trip A, you turn it off and then turn it back to the second power option for run. And you hold that down until it zeroes out. Thanks for watching.